not only do we have new brake shoes, but we also have front fork boots. Yep, there's pads of cheetah. They're about the exact same. And of course we're missing carter pins. That's why my rear wheels were loose when I bought this thing. So we're gonna throw those on there too. Alright, good as new for the back. For the front, I'm thinking that it's just not adjusted enough. It's completely all the way out. So we're gonna pull that in, see if that fixes our front brakes. If not, we got shoes. And those brakes I took off, the pads I took off, didn't seem too torn up. So I'm gonna hold on to those, I guess, for spares maybe. You never know. And here you have it, folks. Sometimes people are just lazy or stupid or something, because all I had to do for the front, which is what I had a feeling was going to happen, is all I had to do was tighten it. Now we got brakes. So with the back, it was adjusted very far in. It's still in pretty far, even with the new shoes. So I think it was the right move to use the new shoes in the back, but it makes it to where I don't have to take all this apart. Changing the rear is a lot easier. Alright, boys and girls, I always do an oil change when I get a three-wheeler or a dirt bike or something like that, because people never change the damn oil in these things. Let's see what junk's in our filter or our screen. There's some junk. It's really not terrible. I've seen way worse, so there's not many metal fragments whatsoever in there, which is a great sign. So second gear does clang around and make some weird noises. Still seems to be engaging fully and working fine so far, so maybe an oil change will help. This stuff's pretty done for. I couldn't even see. I think it was low for sure, because I couldn't tell if there was oil in it or not looking through the dipstick. But yeah, we're gonna throw some new oil in it. I always use this guy right here, conventional, but it's SAE 10W40. I'm also going to be putting it in my Grom. I put it in everything. When you can find it on sale, sometimes Napa has the sale, sometimes Advance, you can get it for like $5.40 a quart, which is really cheap. They don't sell these in the big jugs, so you got to stock up on little guys. Just took a quart and a half and threw a new valve stem in that tire, because I don't think the valve stem was very crusty, the one I pulled out, so I'm thinking that it might just be a valve stem issue for my tire going low over a couple days. So I'm gonna run it around the neighborhood and just see how it's running, and then we'll do the fork boots, clean her off, and do a couple little things with bushings here and there. But I mean, it's not a bad little ride. Everything works on it. Well, that's weird. It started the other day, no problem. Oh, duh. Why am I so stupid? Got a tick, so I think definitely need some valves adjusted. We'll see what else. We'll mess with it more, but runs, rides, shifts, seems pretty good otherwise.